Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we got another exciting unboxing review video. We'll be checking out the KTC 24-inch budget gaming monitor, which comes in at just around $140. It comes with all the essentials for a good gaming experience, like 165Hz refresh rate, FreeSync, G-Sync and HDR10 compatibility. The 24-inch screen, at least for me, hits the sweet spot in terms of screen size and immersive gaming, which makes the monitor perfect for your console setup. So guys, let's not waste any more time and dive right in. First, let's take a look at the packaging. It's quite minimalistic but has all the essential details. You can see the model name and some key features here. The packaging seems to be doing a good job of protecting the monitor and all the accessories during shipping. First we got the rather compact power adapter. The monitor's power consumption is only 36 watts, so you don't need a bulky adapter in the first place. Next we got the HDMI cable, the quick setup guide, and the warranty card. Next we also have a tool for installing the monitor stand, which is made from metal and seems like it's pretty durable. It has rubber feet on all three sides and you only have to do one screw in order to install it. And finally guys, we have the KTC monitor itself. Before we dive into its design and specs, let's first install the stand. As I said, it's easily installed with only one single screw, simple as that, and we're good to go. Now, my very first impression is that the monitor is actually very slim and fairly lightweight at only 2.8 kilograms. On the back we find all the ports, the power in port, 2 HDMI ports, 2 display ports and a 3.5mm audio out. I don't know if you can see, but behind the stand we find the menu navigation joystick as well. The monitor has a tilt function, however it doesn't have height adjustment or swivel, but that's expected at this price point. You can always use a VESA mount if you need more flexibility. So guys, now we can test the monitor with some actual games and media, but before we do that, let's cover all the specs. The KTC H24T09P features a 24-inch display with a full HD resolution of 1920 by 1080p. The panel is ELED Fast IPS with 165Hz refresh rate. The Fast IPS panel features a faster response time, a wider viewing angle, better color contrast, outstanding color accuracy and screen consistency. With 165Hz refresh rate and 1 millisecond MPRT response time, the Fast IPS panel effectively reduces motion blur and makes the action look smoother. Compatible with FreeSync and G-Sync, it avoids screen tearing and stuttering for a fantastic gaming experience. This KTC monitor also supports HDMI 2.0, which offers higher resolution, refresh rate and bandwidth, leading to improved picture clarity. We also have HDR10 support. The 8-bit panel has 99.53% coverage and 125.25 volume of the sRGB gamut and can display 16.7 million colors. Thanks to the full 1080p resolution and wide color gamut, it performs better on displaying high-quality images and videos, delivering more lifelike pictures for immersive viewing experience. The colors look surprisingly vibrant for a budget monitor and the viewing angles are decent. And this would definitely be a good choice for media consumption and casual gaming. The display is also plenty bright with peak brightness of 305 nits. The contrast ratio is as expected from an IPS panel, meaning that we won't get as deep blacks as that of VA panels, but we get a wider 178 degrees viewing angles, and the images remain consistent and accurate regardless of the angles you're looking at. In terms of features, we get the standard image adjustments, brightness, contrast and color temperature. We also get some more advanced settings including sharpness, aspect ratio, 4 gamma presets and hue saturation. You also have a black equalize which improves visibility in dark scenes by altering the gamma curvature, ultra vivid which increases sharpness, DCR which is dynamic contrast ratio, auto source selection, audio OSD settings, and 3 user profiles. Finally, the game assist feature consists of crosshair overlays, a refresh rate tracker, and on-screen timer. So I fired few games to test its gaming performance, and I must say it's handling them quite well. Of course, it won't compete with the high-end gaming monitors, but for this price it's holding its own very well. So there we have it folks, the KTC 24-inch budget gaming monitor for just around $140. It offers a solid Full HD IPS display, decent gaming performance, and a good range of connectivity options. While it won't blow you away, it's an excellent choice for budget-conscious gamers or anyone looking for an affordable monitor for everyday use. If you have any questions about this product or want to see more similar reviews, please leave a comment down below and subscribe to our channel. Thank you guys for joining me and see you in the next video.